Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 12 of 22 journal challenge that's hosted by Beema's Crafty Corner. And it's for October and the theme was creepy. I usually don't do creepy. So I went in my little file gadget, saw what I had for like Halloween paper, and I had this looking type paper, so printed it off, and this is what I came up with. This is my creepy. So this is the cover. Yeah, he is creepy looking. Pretty thick one. And then when you open it, I have a corner tuck, and it says this book is property of, and a corner. Got a little envelope. It's got ephemera, just some extras stuff. Oh, on it, I kind of printed stuff off from different little things I've had, so oh, that's the envelope. Okay, it's supposed to actually go right there. Yeah, that's toe tag. I mean, that's creepy enough thinking about the toe tag. Marker. Right there. And then on this side is a belly band, and up here is I have the word creepy. You just kind of spin them. Wicked. Haunted. And spooky. And a belly band, and then in the belly band we have a little mason jar. It says 31. Pacific Company with a spider web. A tag. All got 1915. They're all little journaling spots. And a corner tuck, which was, I put everything that I use, even if I didn't use it in here. Well, and then I took this bag. They're just these freaky little bags from the Dollar Tree. They have this little valve on it. I cut the valve off. I put some food coloring in there, and I sealed it with some hot glue. And you turn it over. Yeah, it's a journaling card. Vampire blood. Ooh. That's creepy, in my opinion. And then here is the pocket. It's those little x-rays. By recollection, they come in like this. And got like a little bingo card. Little spider on the bingo card. Back in there. And then pig. And toe one. I added that on the top of that toe one. It ripped on me, so I saved it. There we go. And then on this side is a creepy looking face, dude. You just open that. And then on this one you got devil, poison, powder, and then Satan, or beware. Satan, not beware. My bad. Beware, not Satan. And turn it over here. I have a pocket. Little skull. Creepy house. Tag. Bookmarker. And then an envelope. And then in this envelope, there's some little ephemera pieces and some writing paper to journal. That flips right there. Haunted house, creepy. Creepy, haunted house, creepy. Oh, plus I thought the faces, I forgot to show the belly band. The creepy face. And here's this creepy looking face. And then on this one, a little card that's got that ghost creepy looking. Yeah, it's from me working on that tag, spider web, another one of those 1915. Another little tag, another little blood. Corner tuck, extra piece. And then that. The belly band. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Turn it this way. And this comes up, it's a little tucks. This comes down. And then you got a little tuck spot here. And you got this little creepy face dude. A little thing looking if you want a dress. And then Frankenstein little book. Dracula on the back side, you can open it. And just touch right there. The center strings, I got a little spiders. And then this flips up, this flips over. You just journal. And then you have this creepy face looking at you, and then this opens up that way. This one opens up that way. Got a spider web pocket with some spiders. Creepy little gal, a bingo card with a little spider bingo. And I used it for, my ink was running out and I didn't realize it. But I think it didn't matter. It just looks cool. This is my ink running out. Because here's the, so yeah. I mean, you can't tell that much difference. So I thought it was kind of cool. So I just didn't worry about it because I thought it looked cool. Well, see, here you can tell really the difference. See? But I thought it didn't matter. It looked really cool anyways. So I used it. And a bookmarker. And this says creepy, spooky, I think it's the same one. Scary, and wicked. And then you got the envelope. And then more little extra pieces that I didn't use. Corner. And then we have the x-ray again of the hand. And then a creepy looking face. It's supposed to be a library card, it's got little skeletons on it. And then a haunted house tag. I have a haunted right there. Oops. One more in here. And then of course the little skeleton. And then a belly band. That creepy looking dude. And then, of course, another corner spot. Toe tag. Mason jar. Haunted house. Pacific Company. Name, address. Amount, sale card. 915. This one actually has one of those little pockets. And then, of course, the bloody one. Ooh. And then this one has this creepy face. And I don't want to cover it up, so what I just did is I just put a little tuck spot of with a ticket of the girl. And it's this little ticket and trick, and then this little tag thingy-majigger. And then we have a corner spot. And we have a creepy nurse. And this one. Toe tag. That tag. That tag. There's one of those pockets, but folded over. And this one. this tag, and this tag, a bookmarker, and then more little ephemera pieces in the envelope. Oopsie. And a bookmarker also. And then that's the back of the cover for this one. So this is my interpretation of 12 of 22 Journal Challenge October Creepy. I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.